The horse needs her shower.
I knew that.
And the horse needs shampoo for her shower.
Ah, delivery number 2. Wait here. Horse shampoo.
Good shampoo.
Now, the horse can have her shower.
Water. Oh!
Oh dear.